Hey guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro silicone case that's MagSafe ready. This is $49 on the Apple website, and this is the official Apple case. So let's go ahead and just show you. Some of you might be considering actually spending $50 to get the real case or to get a third-party generic brand or just an alternative brand. Okay, so, just like all Apple packaging, pretty similar. Oh, so you can pull it out, and voila, quite simple. Now you can see that there's like this ring. That means that it's MagSafe, ready for charging, which I'll demonstrate in a bit. And what else? So we get this. Yep, that's pretty much it. Oh, here's a little thing. Let's see, it just says MagSafe accessory, and some fine print stuff. All right, so let's take the iPhone 16 Pro and let's go ahead and put it in. So I recommend putting it from the top down. From the top and then to the bottom. So let's go ahead, put that in. And yeah, the feeling's quite nice, quite compared to the generic brands. It has more of a kind of soft rubbery kind of material. I'll go ahead and make another video about a generic case versus this case, in case you're thinking about purchasing it. But yeah, once again, just want to do a quick unboxing of your iPhone 16 Pro silicone case. $49, not cheap. Not cheap for a case, but quite nice. Oh, and in case you're wondering, it did leave space for this this new camera button. Yeah. Okay. So I hope this video helps in case you're thinking about purchasing a silicone case from Apple directly. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like or comment below. See you next time. Bye-bye.